hope everybody is well. Today is a bit crazy. I mean, it's a bit crazy, the world that we're currently living in. So this is obviously going to come out in probably about 50 days time. So in 50 days in the past, this is kind of day 2 of South Africa's coronavirus day that changed everything. President came out, did a speech. Everybody is pretty much under I think things are still happening, but it's definitely changed to how it was last week, as an example. So it's Tuesday today, and the shops are pretty much empty. There's no toilet paper. It's madness out there. Strange walking around. Anyway, so today's salad, we are going to do eggplant roasted, cut up in a little bit, and then I'm going to roast some bit of tomatoes at the end of that. And that's just going to be on a bed of spinach. Super easy, super simple, super tasty. Eggplant emoji is like the tastiest thing to put on a salad. And it's super easy to make, so I'm going to basically show you guys how to do that. And let's get to it. Money.